Ready?
Yeah, that's so gay. He got it. CPR is
help! Help!
Let's see if that'll work. You didn't get it? Videotape. I got out. Out of town, live in Nazarene.
Look at this guy who had a bourbon shit. Gave me his card.
Our new bass player? What's it say? It's just this card saying that he likes to fuck and party. It's weird.
What is it, 2 for 1 or what? It's good.
2 for 1?
He just got a pickup card.
Oh shit! Because he fucks everybody and everything.
No business or nothing. It's just like, hey, here's my phone number. You know, hey, let me get your phone number. Go. I got something bigger than that.
New Orleans.
Hey, you got a card. Look at this. Fuck everybody. Everything's fucked.
Well, you give her a business up.
That's still living. Ready for the clubhouse, honey?
What's up?
Going to the clubhouse. Raindrop. Looking for a bassist. Louisiana.
Right now, you're ready.
After Adam goes poop.